It's within church, and they have so much cars inside. Oh my god. Wow.
Whoa, my people, wetin dey happen now? The worst don happen o. As I just dey talk to una so, na Redeemed Christian Church for Ketu na just dey burn so. This one na live and direct happening now. E just dey burn. I hope nobody dey inside. I hope nobody dey inside. Wetin come dey happen now? Why now? Why this family now? Family wey be say dem just still dey mourn their son. They never even do burial. They never bury their son put for ground. No, that one don dey happen now. This one is too much for Papa Adeboye now. Who come dey do this one? The fire enter by itself. Abi how the fire take enter? Wetin come dey happen now? As I dey hear, they say many cars dey
with Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. It's your sister, your friend, is your girl. This is the first time we just did get post for YouTube. You just come across this our channel. Please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime I post video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. For this our channel now Tori, now we dey talk and now Pidgin English we dey talk our Tori for years.
So my people, today's story we want to talk about Adeboye, our big pastor Papa Adeboye. The worst don't happen o. Yawa don dey for everywhere o. Hey. Now wow, wetin come dey happen now? They use am make parable say ukponamie amie, ukponamie amie. E mean say the year wey person dey see, na person dey see. This one e don pass Joromi o, my people. Now no say Adeboye pikin, e just die. For people wey no know who be Pastor Adeboye, na one big general overseer of Redeemed Christian Church. Now he be the general overseer. He get branches all over the world. Obodo Ibo, Nigeria, nowhere no get branches. And he get wife and children. He never take for year. He pikin, Ikpeme, one of his son. That one dey for 42 years. Then he take Peme. Adeboye's son die on the 4th, which is on Tuesday of May. But they come announce am on the 6th, on Thursday. Why? Because they never tell Papa and Mama say see wetin happen. They can't keep am out of social media. May not be like say na social media they come here say their pikin don kpeme. So immediately they tell the parents, then they can't allow social media to carry the news come out. Everybody they talk oh, so people come they talk say why you not raise am up? I think they do miracle, they say miracle this, why the miracle that not raise their pikin up and all that. Now we say me they not talk like that. Let me come talk say make people not talk like that oh. Say because e dey for Bible say rejoice with those that rejoice and weep with those that weep. Because the way people take attack them this period, it come too much. If therefore they think on how they want to arrange burial arrangement for this their son wey be say he pass away wey dey 42 years so. Many people they say their condolence so. Even all the big people for our government, they don't send their condolence to Adeboye. Even our Papa Buhari Papa, he still send condolence to the family that go visit them. Where some angry Nigerians, they even dey vex, say you know they talk for this matter of our government, how they know they rule well, you know they gree talk am at all. The family, they never see regain their self as e be say they don't lost one of their son. He say make people no worry. He say because the pikin wey be say he pass away, na God na give, na God na see take. Say make people no worry. But the thing is, they pay now for body because, but as a man of God wey he be, he come dey use am dey encourage other people. Say make them no worry. So times when something go happen like this, make we give thanks to God. Because Bible still talk and say in every situation always give thanks to God Almighty. So he consider use am dey encourage people. But the family, they still dey in deep pains for this. They are lost no matter what. Now blood, now everybody they use. And I see they continue to they pray for the family. Say, may God give them the strength, the heart, where they'll take bear this great loss to. And may God protect and guide everybody, including you, where they watch me, and me, where they sit down, they talk this story. That any of us not will die untimely death. That our children go bury us when we don't old because for this life nobody will not go, everybody go, but we will not die prematurely. That can be our prayers, and at the prayers now still pray for everybody when they listen to this my voice or they watch my video. So where this matter for still dey ground, that they arrange and they try to know how they want to do the burial arrangement of this their son wey be say he just die of recent. So there now just see say news just come back. They say the fire e just dey catch for Ketu for one of their big branch for Lagos. I say wetin come dey happen now? They never even talk am finish. Another one just dey happen again. Why the fire? Who come put fire? How fire take enter church? Now that one now come the reason, my people. Wetin make fire enter this church now? Today wey be Sunday, as I dey talk to una so e just dey happen now. And today the way even dey do this video, so e come dey talk say filling station even near the church, because if the fire don near that filling station, how pari be that? How fire take enter church? Who put fire for church?
Fire is so much. It's within church, and they have so much cars inside. And there's a filling station there.
And this time wey be say this family now, they don dey mob, they don dey think on how they want to bury their son. Now papa go come dey hear now say church for Ketu don dey, one of their big branch don dey burn, and many cars full inside. So the full story now, me I never hear am. I say make I quickly bring this one come tell my people say more na see wetin dey happen now. Who go put fire for there? Fire take enter there? But we no know. But na only God na him know. But if I say hear anything, I can't let una know, because as me come dey see am, e come be like say for the comment section, the way people take dey attack the family, they say they talk put that churches for Nigeria, they no dey shook their mouth put for government, that they always dey participate for politics. Now their church that they come dey do politician, they campaign and they do everything. But the things wey be say dey happen for the country, they no dey shook their mouth put. But if e reach time of voting, they will tell church members make dem come vote. They say now the churches then they want face for Nigeria. As the thing they leave comments, then because they take us all these comments where people they leave, so because they say one by one they will deal with all these churches. I been at the comments when they put for social media, now they want carry on, so they won't put fire for the church. I been at the fire enter inside by itself, or as they put up for comments say now so they want put fire for all the churches for Nigeria, all these big churches for Nigeria. I been at so they come the planner now. I been now fire enter by itself. Now this story we never really confirm. So my people wanna stay tuned. Anything I hear, I will always come back. Me I can tell you. I say me I quickly can tell you now say Adeboye family during the day now no be small, e don pass Jeromeo. Pikin just spend me never take for year. They are one of their big branches just catch fire. Wetin dey happen, my people? Abeg, I will solve this story for here, may not too long. So anything you think, may you drop your comment for there. In this life, everybody have rights to his own opinion. Your opinion, may you drop out for there, very important. Thank you so much for watching. We are not just here to talk. We are here to say a story that will save life, that will change life, that will change situation of things. If you share this video, you are going to help a lot. Make people know wetin dey happen for the country, or the threat wey they talk, they know they carry a heart, or wetin really dey happen. I been a nemesis, as some people talk for the comments. We don't really know wetin dey happen. Or now they talk say they want attack the family. Now the attack of the family now that they come. Many people don't they talk different things for the comment section, but I don't really know which one be the truth for inside. But anything I hear, well, let's come here. Me I come to tell you now, my people. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, so you will know anytime we put video here, or you will be notified anytime we just put video here. You'll be first person where you go know say video don't enter here. Thank you so much for watching. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. Through Dreams Bright Life with Lady T. See you on our next video. Ciao. Please share this video. Thank you and ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will see you through. If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. bring it to true dreams with Lady T. And God will be your strength. Bring it to true dreams with Lady T. And God will see